बजट पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ आदिल शेट्टी मौजूद हैं, को चेयर हैं फिक्की के फिनटेक कमेटी के। सर, कैसे देखते हैं बजट को?
I think it was very good from a digital infra and AI side. गवर्नमेंट ने बताया कि टैक्स हॉलीडे अगर मेटा, गूगल, फेसबुक इंडिया में बड़ा डेटा सेंटर बिल्ड करता है, इट्स अ बिग डील बिकॉज डेटा सेंटर्स आर द most important infrastructure for artificial intelligence. Prices for consumers for digital products will come down. This was one very big thing. I think 10,000 crores for MSME fund, equity fund is very important. MSMEs, we have given credit guarantee and debt before. First time ever we're doing equity. So maybe now MSMEs can raise equity similar to startups. I think this could be a good booster for MSME industry.
जी, अगर हम बात करें, आपने एआई सेक्टर की बात की, आपने फिनटेक की बात की, तो 2047 के विकसित भारत के लक्ष्य को हासिल करने के लिए इस बजट की कितनी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका है? क्योंकि एक बजट जो है लोक लुभावन नहीं है, आम लोगों के लिए ये इतना इंटरेस्टिंग शायद ना रहा हो, लेकिन बुनियादी ढांचे को मजबूती देने के लिए बहुत जरूरी बजट ये बताया जा रहा है। क्या कहना है आपका?
आप सही बोल रहे हैं। कॉमन मैन के लिए सिर्फ एक मॉनेटरी चेंज था, ये LRS TCS। तो when parents are sending education fee, 5% TCS cut to 2%. Same for foreign travel. But otherwise for consumer, it's more about simplifying form filing, reducing fine, reducing penalty. But monetary TCS was the big change. But I think investment in AI is so important today. The whole world is changing. Whether you're the biggest company or MSME, if you're not learning about AI, using AI in finance team, in HR team, in engineering team, things are going to get completely shaken up in the next 1 year. I'm very excited. FM spoke about Vitsal Bharat app, AI app for farmers. So even farmers, we are training how to use AI to plan crops and how to plan better. I think this focus on long-term infrastructure, digital is very important if India is going to become an innovator in the world.
जी, अगर हम बात करें इस कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड की, ऐसे में भारत की स्थिति को आप कितना मजबूत पाते हैं? और जो बजट एक उसमें एक पड़ाव की तरह है, इसके बाद आने वाला जो समय है, अगला फाइनेंशियल ईयर जो है, इसमें आप भारत की भूमिका को कैसे देखते हैं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ग्लोबल सिनेरियो में?
So a lot of positives, right? World's fastest growing large economy, 7.5% growth, low inflation, less than 2%. I think Indian budget has a lot of confidence. We're not fighting tariff war. We're not raising tariff war. In fact, FM is saying for nuclear power, I'll reduce customs duty. For semiconductors, I'll reduce custom duty. So I think we're acting maturely. We're seeing how does India not lose out in AI? How does India not lose out in digital wave? And I think this is the right approach. We should not be fighting with other people. We should be seeing how to strengthen our economy, and strengthening our economy is building FTAs. We've got one with EU, we've got one with UK. Now our exporters need to start growing. Our digital companies need to start growing, and other countries are copying us now. So what we did in Aadhaar, what we did in UPI, they're copying. So we need Digital India 2.0. We need DigiLocker 2.0. We need ease of doing digital business, improving video KYC. So lot of opportunity. We should not stop. We should keep moving faster and faster for digital infra.
जी, जिस तरह से आपने बताया कि एआई के मामले में हो या डिजिटल उसके पैरामीटर्स की बात करें, तो भारत लगातार दुनिया के साथ नहीं बल्कि एक कदम आगे ही चल रहा है। ऐसे में 2.0 की आपने जिक्र किया, तो आप कैसे देखते हैं अगले आने वाले 5 सालों में भारत की भूमिका को? जिस तरह से अर्थव्यवस्था अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर अभी डामाडोल है, ऐसे में भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था स्थिरता के साथ लगातार तेजी से आगे बढ़ रही है। ऐसे में जो आपके आने वाले 5 सेक्टर्स की अगर हम बात करें, किन को सबसे ज्यादा प्रमुखता आप देंगे?
So you're right, India is a leader in digital payment, digital economy, but like I said, other countries are learning and copying us very, very quickly. So we can't rest. We have to involve and invest in more. I'll just give you one small example. Today, if you and I want a loan or a credit card, we can do video KYC. But MSME can't do video KYC. If you're MSME, you have to come to your office, come to your house, collect paperwork. We need to solve for that. We have people who are watching video to establish identity. Is that required? Can't we use like DigiYatra? Can the machine not do instant verification of identity? I feel that digital economy today is 20% of GDP. It is, for me, a big opportunity for India. I think digital data center is very important because every company, every startup in India is buying cloud services. If digital data center becomes big, cost goes down, our cost base can go down by 15%, 20%. That's a big benefit we can pass to consumers. I feel we're ahead in digital economy. We shouldn't stop now. Areas for investment, we need to improve video KYC. We need to improve DigiLocker. MSMEs have to be digitized. They're still operating in paper. If we do these right, I think we can continue to maintain our lead because our lead other people are copying very quickly.
संसद टीवी से आपको बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो ये थे आदिल शेट्टी, फिकी के को चेयर हैं। इन्होंने बताया किस तरह से भारत दुनिया के साथ कदम से कदम मिलाकर चल नहीं रहा, बल्कि दुनिया में डिजिटल इकोनॉमी में भी तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है और बल्कि लीड कर रहा है। संसद टीवी के लिए सुरेंद्र कुमार।
To watch more programs of Sansad TV, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share them.